Welcome to Creative Digital Canvas. Today, I'll show you how to create a Gojo Satoru split art using a clipping mask in Photoshop. Step 1. Create multiple rectangles of different shapes. Step 2. Select all rectangles, go to Pathfinder, and choose Make Compound Shape. Step 3. Upload your Gojo Satoru image. Step 4. Right-click on the image, go to Arrange, and click Send Backward. Step 5. Resize the image to fit the shape. Step 6. Select both the image and the compound shape. Step 7. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. And that's it. You'll now see a cool split art effect of Gojo Satoru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.